Welcome sir, class under dictation 465 back. Ready? Start. Now we can talk about it without discussing the shift of population from the rural to the urban areas. Can we talk about it without discussing the kind of economic progress in which we are entering? I am sure that the Honorable Minister is aware of this position, that the Honorable members of this House are aware of this position, that in the last few years there has been a tremendous growth in the service sector of our economy, and what has been the result of that? The service sector, which includes hotels, tourism, insurance, and such other forms of economic activity, has attracted large numbers of people into the urban areas. In fact, the rate of urbanization in this country is a part of our economic development, but it is extremely alarming in its proportion. If this is going to be the kind of influx into our cities from the rural areas, then it is very clear that in the urban areas the entire structure is going to collapse under the weight of this influx, and unless therefore we have a policy frame which reduces the drift from the rural areas into the urban areas, talking about housing either in the rural areas or in the urban areas does not have any meaning. As a result of that pull, a lot of people are coming into the cities, and on the other hand there is a push effect in the rural areas because agriculture is lagging behind and unemployment is increasing in the villages, and the people are bound to move into the cities. Therefore, madam, the first question which I would like to ask the minister is, in what manner this policy envisages to curb this trend of movement of the rural people into the urban areas, because providing amenities to the urban areas, it is well known, is far more expensive than giving the amenities and the facilities in the rural areas. So this is my first point. The second is that the policy does not define, madam deputy chairman, the size of the program either as it exists today or the size of the program as it is going to be in the future. The minister has just now claimed by mentioning various figures, achievements which the government has made. But I would like to say that so far in the last 40 years, the government is merely tinkering with the problem. We have only touched the margin of it. We have never cared to get to the core of the problem. This policy document, if it is implemented, will only be marginally touching the problem. Full stop.